can't survive. Only my love can raise you high above it all. Don't throw it all away, I love my love. Don't throw it all away, love. Don't throw it all away, I love my love. Don't throw it all away, love.
Hello, magandang araw sa inyong lahat guys. Pag-aaralan natin ngayon yung Our Love, Don't Throw It All Away by Andy Gibb. Si Andy Gibb guys, yung kapatid ng Bee Gees. Siya yung bunsong kapatid nila. Pero hindi siya member guys ha, solo artist siya. At itong ituturo kong kanta ay, ito yata yung pinakasikat na kanta ni Andy Gibb. Kung hindi ako chords F9. Okay, yung F9 guys, di ba F yan? Aalisin nyo lang yung tuturo, tapos pindot nyo sa second string ng first fret dito. Tapos steady yun guys, tatlo. F9, G minor, then C11. Okay, C11 guys, inalis, di ba G minor, inalis ko lang tong dalawa. Natira yung tuturo, nakabar sa third fret. Okay, ganito. Yun, ganun lang kasimple yung intro nya. Then babanatan natin yung verse.
Maybe I don't wanna know the reason why. Lately you don't talk to me. Darling, I can see in your eyes.
Okay, yung chords ng verse guys, F pala, F. Maybe, then G minor. Then A minor 7.
The reason why.
Tapos next dyan ay B flat. Babalik ka sa G minor.
But lately you don't
Then A minor 7.
talk to me.
Tapos babalik ka ulit sa G minor.
Darling, I can
Then C11.
see in your
Then, gagawin mo yung intro kanina.
eyes.
Okay, ito na yung verse 2. May nadagdag lang. Ganito.
I hold you near, but you're so far away. And it's losing you, I can't believe. To watch you live and let your feeling die.
Okay. Nadagdag dyan guys. Diba? Ulitin natin yung verse 2. F.
I hold you near.
G minor. A minor 7. B flat. G minor.
And it's losing you,
A minor 7. G minor.
to watch you live
A minor 7.
and
B flat.
feeling
Then F.
die.
Tapos papasok na dun guys yung pre-chorus niya. Pero bago kayo mag pre-chorus, di ba F yan? Aalisin nyo yung hinililiit para maging F7. Okay, ganito. Tugtugin natin.
You alone, loving things that keeps me alive. And tomorrow, if I'm here without your love, you know I can't survive. Only my love can raise you high above it all.
Okay, yung pre-chorus nito guys, B flat.
You're alone.
Then ito, B7. Okay, B flat.
You're alone.
B7.
Living things
A minor 7.
that keeps me alive.
D minor. Okay, then G minor.
And tomorrow,
C11.
if I'm here without your
F.
love, you know I
Then C minor.
can't survive.
Okay? Try natin yung unang line.
You're alone are the living things that keeps me alive. And tomorrow, if I'm here without your love, you know I can't survive.
Okay, babalik sa B flat.
Only you,
Then B7,
it's you
A minor 7,
above it all.
B flat. Tapos bago pumasok sa chorus, gagawin nyo to. C at B flat. So, mabilis lang. Then ganito yung chorus niya, 4 chords lang. Don't
Throw it all away, our love, our love. Don't throw it all away, our love. Don't throw it all away, our love, our love. Don't throw it all away, our love.
C. Alisin nyo yung hitoturo, magiging C major 7, B flat, F. Yan lang yung chords ng chorus. Okay. Galing sa F, magiging F7 ulit yan kasi meron siyang interlude. Ganito. B flat minor, A minor 7, D7, then G minor, C11, then back to the intro. Ulitin nyo yung intro kanina, yung smooth lang. Then third verse, kagaya pa rin ng mga chords sa verse 2 guys. Ulitin natin yung chords ng verse 2 pero iba lang yung lyrics.
We can take the darkness, make it full of light, but let your love flow back to me. How can we live and let this feeling die?
F7. Okay, then pre-chorus pero iba ulit yung lyrics, same chords.
This happy room will be a lonely place without your love.
Okay, ulitin natin yung pre-chorus 2.
This happy room will be a lonely place when you go. From you.
Okay, isa pa. Naguluhan tayo sa lyrics kasi. Okay, isa pa. Pero ganun pa rin yung mga chords niya guys.
This happy room will be a lonely place when you go. And I won't even have your shoulder for the crying on. No one's loved me. It's true, I'm begging you.
Okay, then bago mag-chorus, diba? C at B flat. Chorus. Don't Tapos sa F, mag-F7 ulit tayo guys bago pumasok sa bridge. Ganito. Chords ng bridge niya guys. Tapos sa F7, di ba? Kung kaya nyo to, B flat major 7. Pero pwede kong i-recommend sa inyo yung B flat lang. Pwede gamitin yan guys. Sige, B flat na lang para mas madalian na lang kayo. G minor. Balik sa B flat. G minor. B flat ulit. Then F major 7.
Really try.
Then A minor 7.
There's a losing
D7.
you is real.
B minor 7,
but I still
E 7,
tell you
tapos A minor 7.
there is love.
Okay, then D11. Haalisin mo lang yung middle finger mo. Yan, matitira lang yung 1 string, hintuturo, 2nd string, 1st fret. Okay, naguluhan pa kayo guys dun sa bridge. Ulitin natin, kantayin natin. Pilitin natin kantayin guys, kahit mahirap. F7, di ba?
We're just too wild, letting us do all the dreams and made for those who really try. This wasn't you as real, but I still feel you here inside.
Okay, then D11. Tapos meron siyang last chorus guys, tumaas siya. Pero 4 chords lang naman. G major 7. Ibababa nyo lang hintuturo dito sa 1st string ng 2nd fret. Yan, G major 7. Then F, C. Yun lang yung 4 chords sa last chorus niya.
Don't throw it all away, I love, I love. Don't throw it all away, I love. Don't throw it all away, I love, I love. Don't throw it all away, I love. Don't throw it all away, I love.
Bali pa ulit-ulit na lang yun guys. Hanggang mag-fade siya. Ganun lang kasimple yung Our Love, Andy Gibb. Huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe guys kung nagustuhan nyo ito. Salamat po. Bye-bye.